Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be going to make this velvet dress. It's a mini short dress. So let's get started. So here I'm using the pattern of the bottom skirt and I'm drafting it on my main fabric. Then I'll cut it off. So these are the parts of my skirt. Now I'm going to use my remaining fabric to chop off the bodice, the front and the back portion. Now let me complete my bodice by joining all the parts. Till then you all can enjoy the sewing process. As this is a very cute covered short dress from the front, so I want to add little element to it so that it gives a very attractive look from the back. So I'm drafting a triangle at the back portion and later on I will tie ribbon at the back to give a more graceful and elegant look. So stay tuned till the end to see the final outcome. So here I'm adding these two cute puff sleeves. If you guys want to see how I made these puff sleeves, I have already updated on my short videos, so you can check it out from there. And also I will link in my description box. You all can visit from there as well. After completing my bodice part, now let me complete the bottom skirt. To tie on the back. If you guys are new here, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So after tying the ribbon, this is the final outcome. Woohoo! Hope this video gonna be helpful for you all. If you guys like this dress, do let me know in the comment below and also share with your friends and family. Till then, bye bye, take care and see you in the next video. Love you everyone.